Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ella R. So today I'm gonna show you the mask that changed my face from this to this. So if you want to see that, please keep watching. And I'm not the original creator of this mask. I saw it online, I used it and it worked for my skin. So I'm here to show you guys. The first thing you need for this mask is a cinnamon. You can put 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, depends on the quantity of mask you're making. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. It dries out pimples, circulates blood flow, it unclogs and opens pores and removes excess oil from the skin. Another thing you need is an egg. Egg contains collagen, vitamin A, protein, elasticity. It treats acne, fine lines and wrinkles. It moisturizes dull, dry skin and improves tone and texture. And of course, I am personally adding vitamin E capsule because it's very good and soothing for your skin. Don't mind my voice guys, I'm a little sick right now. Once you've added all the ingredients you need for the mask, just go right ahead and mix them all up. Mix them very well together. If you think the mask is a little dry, just go right ahead and add more eggs. This is a do-it-yourself mask. There is no right or wrong way to do it. You just have to add up all the ingredients and mix them all up and you're good to go. You see how thick the mask is? You can apply them on your face now and it will be so good, but if your mask is not this thick after making them, you can store it in the fridge to help it thicken up. Yes. The first time I used this mask, I had a tingling sensation like it was burning my face off. But after using it for a day or two, it stopped because my face had gotten used to it. And for you to use this mask, you don't have to freshly exfoliate your skin because your pores will be open and it won't be good for your skin. It will be harsh somehow for you to use it while you had just exfoliated, and after a while of using it my pimples started drying out. My face feels so smooth and I am so happy. Since using this mask, my face has not been the same. If you've not seen my skincare routine, please go right ahead and watch it. I will leave a link in the description down below so that you will watch it. So please, if you want to try out this mask, please don't be afraid if it gives you that tingling sensation. It does to everyone and it's so normal. So please go right ahead and try this mask. I assure you that it will work for you. After applying the mask, you have to leave it on your face for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. And this is what it will look like 30 minutes later. It will look so dry and cracky to the point you can scrape it out with your fingernails and it will feel so good. You can wash your face afterwards, but make sure you use warm water so that you can get all the marks off your face. Yeah, my face feels so smooth and I love it. Yeah. My pores are getting smaller. I've never felt this secure of my face before. So please guys, do try this mask and leave me a comment down below how the mask works on you and how you feel about it. Yeah, that'll be it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.